Hey guys, my name is John with Rainy Day Restoration. Today I wanted to talk a little bit about mold and why you should be concerned about it. Now, mold is everywhere. It's in the air that we breathe. It's all around us. So there's going to be a stable amount that's fine and that we're used to. But when we get concerned with it is when the levels in our home or our buildings are much higher than they are outside and what normal exposure levels are. So when we go out to properties, a lot of times we'll get called because they've got kind of a gross problem that has just been left undisturbed for a long time and it's finally reaching a critical point. A lot of times what can happen if you just kind of let things fester and don't take care of them is you can get wet rot, where things just stay wet for so long they start to kind of decompose in place. This is really important when you have like a pier and beam home, a crawl space area that might stay moist from just lack of ventilation. You've got drainage issues. Your neighbor's yard is 2 feet higher than yours and runs straight into your crawl space. Things like that can cause moisture issues underneath, and they can cause mold problems that you just don't want to ignore. So we're dealing with a house right now that has, I do my hand because it's really nasty. Really fuzzy, you know, it's pretty bad. So they've got like an inch of mold growth just on the beams underneath their house. They've let it go for years and haven't taken care of it. They've got beautiful terracotta tile floor and no ventilation in their crawl space. And so now we have to go in and we have to rip up a section of their flooring. We're gonna have to drill through their beams, their concrete beams on the perimeter, and make sure that they have ventilation. But their whole floor is starting to rot out and cave in because it's been wet for so long, and that mold and that water has just started to digest the wood fibers and caused it to decompose there. So you don't want to let it go for too long. Anyways, that's kind of that one in a nutshell. Thanks for watching. John with Rainy Day. Bye.